Wow, you guys, I'm going through all my past videos I've made throughout the whole 3.5 years that I've been doing YouTube, and I'm just like astonished at some of the intros I've made from when I first started until like now. And I'm not gonna be putting every single video that I have, but almost. I believe that you guys should be able to see all those amazing intros all in one video. At the end of the video, leave a comment in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think, and smash that like button right now or at the end of the video. Give it a share if you guys like it. Give it a share of my YouTube channel. There's a link in the description. It's youtube.com/Skittlefabz. That's it, and it goes directly here. Smash the like button, subscribe, hit that notification. Every time I upload, you guys will get that notification. Enjoy.
Yo, on my grind all day, gonna make $1 million selling that someday. You know I'm in the building when I write this way. Put me in the ground when I bite this game, bitch, I'm an animal. Eating these rappers, I swear I'm a cannibal. About to fulfill all my dreams, I'm a fiend. I've been plotting and scheming, this shit is obscene. I rise on fleek, what in the fuck is all that even mean? Seems like we're scared about what is perceived, but let me be straight.
Not again, not again. B12 caliber SRT4 engine block prep. Getting dusty in here. I'm going to investigate. You guys can see that I have my original 2003 Dodge Neon SRT4 2.4 liter turbo cylinder block. Who wants to see it get ripped apart? Yeah! What's up, guys? So I just dropped off all my motor stuff over there at Coburn Auto. First base coat of white done. And if you guys haven't followed me on any of my social medias, all the links are down in the description below. Stay tuned. I need this stuff. Coffee. I got my brand new front suspension out of the basement. We're working on my caliber this morning. I actually just ordered 25 of these couplings. If you guys are interested, let me know. I got everything right here that I need to go ahead and make more boost leak testers. If you guys are interested, DM me on Skittlefabz Instagram or Facebook, or even leave a comment down in the comments below. What I want to do is find a razor blade. That's the elephant right here. Right?
They say some things that are just meant to lose. What's that one thing keeping me away from you? Now I can't breathe. How am I to live without you with me? Yeah. Now I don't know what the future holds, but why don't we try? Why don't we try? Let's just see how it all unfolds. You can't deny, but I can't deny. There's no way around it, just until we found it. There's only
I'm in my Skittlefabz workshop downstairs basement of my apartment.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you
In Jason's basement right now, working on my Neon SRT4 2.4 liter turbo motor, which is the same motor as the PT GT. But I call it
Right here.
K-frame, but
K-frame, cross member, it's the same thing.
subframe. There's nothing like SRT. So it's been a few weeks since I actually played with my transmission, so I'm super psyched to have this done. That's good. We can go ahead and switch over to studding the LSD cover. I gotta go ahead and clean this all up. Well, you guys, that is the completion to this video. If you stayed till the end, I really do appreciate you. If you are not subscribed yet, definitely hit that subscribe button and that notification button, so whenever I upload, you get that notification. If you guys are subscribed, definitely leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. If you guys are interested in any of those videos, all the video links are in the description, along with the song that is incorporated with that video. It's copyright free, so if you guys want to use that in one of your videos, you guys can do that. Smash that like button, subscribe, comment, and all that great stuff. And until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace!